Hey, MTS crew, what is going on, y'all? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, I'm getting ready to make a quick and easy pick up and go dessert. I have these Keeblers, and you can use Keeblers or Nabisco or whatever kind you want, but I have the little graham cracker crust, and these are the little pick up and go, so nobody will have to be slicing off a piece of pie. And I like these little servings. So this is going to be a real easy dessert, and this is what we're going to use. We're going to use lime Jello, cream cheese, condensed milk, not a lot, maybe half can of condensed milk. And that's all we're gonna need in this dessert. So you're gonna need bowl, you're gonna need a measuring cup, you're also gonna need a mixer for this, and your spatula. But these are just gonna be quick and easy. And you all, whenever you're having any kind of, if you're having guests over, and you know you're having a cookout or something like that, these would be so easy to pick up. You know what times we're in now, and I love these little individual servings, and so no one will have to cut a pie, pick over pie, cut a cake, or anything like that. They pick them up, and these little servings, they are just enough for one person, and you get 6 in each container. So I mean, yeah, six of them in these little containers. And we're gonna finish this dessert, and we're gonna put them in the refrigerator. We're gonna let them chill for about 7 hours. So if you are making these for a party or something, you can make them a day ahead and go ahead and get them put in the refrigerator, cook out, you know, just do them ahead and get them in the refrigerator. And these, I bought these at my favorite store, y'all. It's Artie's, and they were on sale. Actually, these were 99 cents, and I thought that was a good deal for those 99 cents. So I went ahead and bought a couple, because I'm going to have other desserts. We're going to have some fresh fruit, strawberry shortcake, and I'm going to make the strawberry shortcake with angel food cake. So we're going to have that, and you know, we're going to have something light and something not so light. So let's go ahead and get started on this real simple, easy dessert. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and add, oh, this is a lime Jello, so we're gonna use lime. And I'm also gonna add, I think I'm gonna add a squeeze of a key lime in here also. But let's go ahead and get this going. And this is 1 cup of hot water. So let's go ahead and get this dissolved. And once this is dissolved, we'll go ahead and put our 1 cup of ice in here. Okay, y'all, we let our Jello cool down just a little bit, and I have everything dissolved. It's dissolved real good in here. So I'm going to go ahead, instead of putting 1 cup of cold water, I'm going to use 1 cup of ice. Let me know down below that your mother used to make, back in the day, Jello. I know when I was a little girl, my mom would make all different colors of the Jello, and she'll throw a can of fruit cocktail in there. And boy, I thought that was a treat. Okay, let's go in with 1 cup of ice. Stir that. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna set this to the side. Okay, y'all, go ahead and just sit your Jello in the refrigerator until we'll finish mixing everything else. And if it starts to congeal, that's fine. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead. I left this cream cheese out so it can soften. So let's go ahead and get this whipped up. Whip it up as light as you can. Scrape down your bowl if you need to. Scrape down your bowl, because you want this as light and fluffy as you can get it. Okay. And y'all, one other ingredient that I had in this, my fault, y'all, I had in the refrigerator and I totally forgot about it. And that is my Cool Whip. That's very important. Okay, let's add about 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Okay. Okay, y'all, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. That's fresh lime, but if you have the bottled lime juice, that's fine. And this is not a key lime pie, so those are just regular limes. Okay. Okay, we have all this mixed in. Now we're gonna add our Cool Whip in. Okay. Y'all, I am totally sorry. I had my Cool Whip still in the refrigerator, and I forgot to add it. So we're gonna use 1 tub of Cool Whip. Now, if you want to add more of the condensed milk, go ahead. It's just that we're trying to cut down on so much sugar, but you can add, you really can add the whole can if you want to. But I think the amount that I added was sufficient for this dessert. And this is a cool summer dessert, y'all. Good, good, good for when company is over. And this is a dessert that you can make beforehand. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Jell-O and just fold that over in here. Okay, let's get this all mixed up. Okay, let's kind of push this out. Okay, this has already started to thicken. Look at that. Already started to thicken. And that's a good thing. And that is because we put that ice in it. So when you're making Jell-O, and if you wanted to go ahead and do a quick set for you, instead of using cold water, just go ahead and use the ice, and it'll help it to congeal better. Okay, we're gonna get this all mixed up, and then we'll go ahead and get our pie shells made. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then I go ahead and fill my crust, and we're gonna let this sit for a few hours. And when we come back, y'all, we'll have our delicious summer dessert lime pie. And if you want to add any key lime flavoring, if you have it, go ahead and put you a couple of drops in here. Okay, y'all, what I did was I put my mixture in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or so, and I did that so I could get these unwrapped and prepared. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, you may use piping bag or anything you want to use to put your mixture in here, but y'all, I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, and that 1 scoop is enough, more than enough, y'all, for each one. Okay, more than enough. Probably can use about a half scoop. Let's see, about a half scoop. Okay, but these are already nice and fluffy, so I'm going to continue to get these filled up. Okay, y'all, these are ready to go in the fridge for a few hours. And when they're ready, we'll come back and we'll have a taste. Okay, y'all, our little mini lime pies are ready. Y'all, they are very easy to make. They're set. So I had a lime left, and I just cut and I garnished it with a piece of lime on the top. And I had another lime, and I just zested the zest on there. These are good. And like I said, you can use whatever Jell-O you want to use to make these. These will be beautiful with the orange or the strawberry, any kind of Jell-O that you want to use to make these. And I'm going to leave my recipe down below. These are perfect, y'all, like I say, for the summer. I call them the little pick up and go desserts. Really easy. So make sure you let them sit in your refrigerator for at least let's say 2 to 3 hours, but I would say overnight. Let's taste. Okay, y'all, let's give one of these a taste. Okay. Y'all, these are absolutely delicious. Put this down right here. Absolutely. See how it looks when it's set. And you see it has little pieces of congealed Jell-O in there. That's the reason I like that Jell-O to set up for a minute in cold, with the ice, and then put it in the refrigerator, because I actually like the little Jell-O pieces in there. It tastes like a sorbet. Delicious, y'all. So y'all, do me a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy this recipe. Enjoy your summer. You may have this any time of the year. Don't have to definitely have to be summer. And these remind me of the Kool-Aid pie. It reminds me of the Kool-Aid pie. But this is not as sweet as the Kool-Aid pie. Even though I used that canned condensed milk, even though I used that, I didn't use a lot of it, because Jell-O is sweet in itself. So I didn't use as much, y'all. But it's just perfect, a perfect little snack. And you see the little pieces of the congealed Jell-O. That makes it even better. You can let that Jell-O congeal a little bit more, break it up, and go ahead and add it to this dessert. Thank y'all for watching, and do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe this video, y'all, please, and share it out on your social media platforms for me. I'm gonna go ahead and put this recipe below, and let me know if you decide to make it. It's delicious, y'all, with the orange Jell-O. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. And another thing, if you want to enhance these little pies, if you have orange flavor, lime flavor, any kind of flavor you have, you can add that to these. But these are perfect for me. They are refreshing, y'all. Thank y'all. And thank y'all for watching my ads, okay? Love y'all. Goodbye. Got to finish my pie.